Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make bread donut full guide. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees F or heat oil to 350 degrees F if frying, and gather flour, yeast, milk, and butter. Start by proofing yeast and warming liquids, then mix into a soft dough and knead until smooth. Rest the dough to double, shape into rounds, and proof again before cooking. I keep tips simple and practical for every kitchen. In this video, I will show how to make bread donut full guide. Begin by activating yeast in warm milk with a bit of sugar, then mix in flour, salt, eggs, and softened butter. Knead until the dough feels elastic and springy, then place it in a greased bowl to rise until doubled in size. This step builds flavor and structure, so be patient and keep the dough warm and covered while it proofs. In this video, I will show how to make bread donut full guide. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music, timers, and voice control into your kitchen, so you never miss a proofing or frying time. It's a small convenience that makes juggling dough and glaze easier, and it sounds great too. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make bread donut full guide. Roll out dough to roughly 3.5 inches thick and use a cutter to make rounds, then let them proof briefly before cooking. For frying, maintain oil at 350 degrees F and flip once for even color, or bake at 375 degrees F until golden for a lighter donut. Cool slightly before glazing or filling, and enjoy warm donuts with simple sugar glaze or jam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.